How to download VLC Media Player in laptop or PC. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you quick and easy on how you can download VLC Media Player in laptop or PC. Well, to do so is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you. You can simply head over either into your Chrome browser, and here you can head into the official website that is videoland.org, and you can see download VLC. You can click on it and you can choose first, click on the arrow icon here and choose the particular option, whether you want to download it for Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, your ARM 64, Mac OS, Linux, choose the particular option and your download should start right away. Then once you have the download installed, you'll get the exe file on the download. You can double click on it and proceed for the installation. The other option is you can head over and open up your Microsoft Store. So you can search in for Microsoft Store and open it up. Once you have opened it up, you can simply go ahead and proceed to search bar and search in for VLC, and you should get the VLC Media Player and you can install it easily as well. So you have these two different options. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.